exactly like how a customizable fund solves it for syndications, customizable funds solve it for the SPV model as well.
Mm-hmm.
It's I liked your analogy. Think of it like an evergreen SPV.
Mm-hmm.
And how long does it take you to do an SPV now, Venki? I mean, take a guess. You probably have
I
done.
don't know, maybe I think it depends upon deal to deal, because
Sure.
sometimes when we're working a deal and we have our own attorney and they can just spin out a SPV in a couple days. And if you're gonna go do it on your own, it might take you anywhere from 2 to 4, 6 weeks, something like that, you know.
Exactly. Even the couple days, you still have to do the Reg D filings and everything
Yeah.
else.
Mhm.
But how about if you can add a deal within 25 minutes in the 20 minutes in the portal? That's exactly what you're
That's
doing.
amazing.
With this customizable fund, you decide to raise for a deal. You don't even have to create an SPV. You just put the deal up. I mean, we'll even preload the deal for you.